This is going to be a video of me unboxing and testing this set of Premier 200 LED micro brights, 10 meters lit length, multicolored, multi-action, and these have silver wire. Indoor and outdoor use, timer function, 6 hours on and 18 hours off. And here's the front of the box. Oh, sorry, one side. And there's the back. And there's the other side. And then the front returns. As you can see, these costed £7.99, and then the 50 set costed £4, so I did buy it at the same time. Yeah. Now, just gonna unbox these and show you what they look like off the box. There we are, as you can see, yeah, 200 more LEDs from the other set, I think. Yeah. Hopefully it won't be as hard getting the box open. Hopefully one of the clips won't come off. Yeah, that one open. That one open. Very nice. I don't know, these might come on one eye inside the last battery, but I don't know. I'm expecting the set to be exactly the same as the 50 set, like nothing different. Yeah, they look the same, so they're probably going to be the same, and yeah. Okay. Not quite shut. Come on. Oh, okay. And then, yeah, there we go, sorry about that, guys. Now we're going to turn these on and see what they look like. Oh, these are actually a little bit different. Okay, the M waves has all the LEDs flashing at the same time, okay. But the logic should be the same though. Looks like it is at the moment. Yep, the green and blues are together and the red and yellows are together, as I thought. No, this have a different logic. This set do have a different logic. Yeah, this set go way quicker than the other ones, but yeah. And this also functions completely differently. Okay then, alright. I will return once I've got these laid out along the floor. Okay, I've returned, and this is what they look like laid out along the floor. Again, the wire that's got the lowest visibility, because it's thin wire. What's big? Yeah, the last LED's touching my bag. Turn these on. Yeah, these look very nice. Yeah, quite. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Now, yeah, just going to demo the function. So this is function number 1, combination. Function number 2, in waves. Function number 3, sequential. Function number 4, slow glow. Function number 5, chasing flash. Function number 6, a slow fade. function number 7, twinkle flash. And finally, function number 8, steady on. I'm now going to see if all 200 of these are working. I think they are, but we're just going to check anyway. Yes, nice. Yeah, all these working. Yep, now going to find out if these have memory. Oh, I can't. Oh, I just realised I just can't. Oh, that can only be found out on timer mode. But yeah, now gonna see what they look like. The lights off. Yep, very nice. And yeah, I'm gonna switch these off. So yeah. This was just a video of me unboxing and testing this set of Premier 200 LED micro brights, silver wire, multicoloured, multifunction, 6-hour timer, and yeah, cheers for watching and I'll see you in the next post.